This is something amazing. 3 stars vanished from the sky in 1952, and we still can't find them. And those 3 stars bunched together in the middle of this, on the left-hand side of the image, as you can see. On July 19, 1952, Palomar Observatory was undertaking a photographic survey of the night sky. Part of the project was to take multiple images of the same region of the sky to help identify things such as asteroids. At around 8:52 that evening, a photographic plate captured the light of 3 stars clustered together. At a magnitude of 15, they were reasonably bright in the image. At 9:45, about an hour later, the same region of the sky was captured again, but this time the 3 stars were nowhere to be seen. In less than an hour, they had completely vanished. Stars do not just vanish. They can explode or experience a brief period of brightness, but they do not vanish. And yet the photographic proof was there. The 3 stars are clearly in the first image and clearly not in the second. The assumption then is that they must have suddenly dimmed, or even that this hard to accept, even this is hard to accept that they dimmed. Later observations found no evidence of the stars to dimmer than magnitude 24. This means they likely dimmed by a factor of 10,000 or more. What could possibly cause the stars to dim by such an astounding amount so quickly? The idea is that they are not 3 stars, but one. Perhaps a star happened to brighten for a short time, such as a fast radio burst from a magnetar. While this happened, perhaps a stellar mass-blocked black hole passed between it and us, causing the flare to gravitational lens as 3 images for a brief time. The problem with this idea is that such an event would be exceedingly rare, but other photographic images taken during the 1950s show similar rapid disappearances of multiple stars. In some cases, the stars are separated by minutes of arc, which would be difficult to produce by gravitational lensing. Another idea is that they were not stars at all. The 3 bright points are within 10 arc seconds of each other. If they were 3 individual objects, then something must have triggered their brightening. Given the time span of about 50 minutes, causality and the speed of light would require they were no more than 6 AU apart. 1 AU is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, is about 93 million miles. This means they would have to be no more than 2 light years away. They could have been Oort cloud objects, where some event caused them to brighten around the same time. Later observations could not find them because they had since drifted on along other orbits. A third idea is that they were not objects at all. Palomar Observatory is not too far from the New Mexico deserts, where nuclear weapons testing occurred. Radioactive dust from the test could have contaminated the photographic plates, creating bright spots on some images and not others. Given similar vanishings are seen on other photographic plates of the 1950s, this seems quite possible. At this point, we can't be sure. What we really need is to capture a few of these events in modern sky surveys, where we can quickly go back and make additional observations. For now, it's a mystery waiting to be solved. This was originally published on Universe Today, and it's on Science Alert by Brian Coberlane. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.